you don't get to pick and choose which parts you get or want to do. And we're making some progress. It's a good thing that I've got the Termite guy on speed dial. Good morning, everyone. We're headed over to the $6,000 brick home. Gonna start doing the tear out on the roof today. It's a nice cool day, and it's probably gonna be a good day to do it. I've got several people coming to give me a hand today, and hopefully we'll get everything tore off, get a good understanding of what we've got to work with, and make a game plan to put it back together. Hopefully it won't be too bad, but we'll just work with what we've got. We'll make lemonade out of lemons, that's what you've got to do. It's what you do when you get these cheap properties like this. You don't get to pick and choose which parts you get or want to do. Everything has to be done. I suppose I could go and buy a house that's already turnkey, but what's the fun in that, right? Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna get started here shortly and get tearing some stuff up. Well, as you can see, the skies are really overcast, and we have decided to not tear into the roof, and instead we have decided to go ahead and start cleaning out the inside. And we're making some progress. We've got half a dumpster full already. Looks like we got some evidence of termites in here. It's a good thing that I've got the termite guy on speed dial. I'll have him come out here and treat the whole house before we start putting anything back together. But this is what you find when you start tearing stuff apart.